Today we're going to work with the Botany cabinet. This is how you bring the tray. First, you pull halfway and then hold on the side. Going to bring the stick to the table. So we're going to hold 45 degrees facing to the child and trace it clockwise. And then we're going to trace the frame counterclockwise. Remember the sharp part cannot touch the green part of the frame. We can do the language activity with the 3-period lesson. Fun shaped, ovate, oblong. Now, can you put oblong over here? Can you put fun shaped on my hand? Can you put ovate here? Can you put oblong in the middle? Can you put fun shaped over here? So now, what is this one? Oblong. What is this one? Ovate. What is this one? Fun shape. When the child master or successful on the 3rd period lesson, you can continue with 3 more shapes. When you're done, you put away all the materials. So when we put in the drawer, we put half and then we push it with the knobs.